Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can trade on Axiom with Nova bot. How you can snipe or buy or sell, quick buy or sell any coins on Axiom using Nova bot. So for that just open your Axiom dashboard and first of all you have to install Nova bot extension. For that just click on extension. Here you can see Nova bot. Now how you will enable this? For that just search for a Nova extension in another tab and just install Nova extension in your Chrome. It is showing as remove from Chrome because I have already installed this. So after installing, just click on extension and enable this Nova extension. After when you enable this, it will ask or just open it and it will ask you to enter your buy and sell price. So just enter your buy and sell prices and just simply click on save. Now when you click on save, now just click on any coin that you want to snipe or that you want to buy or sell. And here you can see there are option called instant sell or instant trade. Just click on this instant trade and now it will give you an easy and quick way to just buy or sell that specific coin. So you don't need to configure them again and again. Just click at any amount and that amount will be buy or sell. So this is the way how you can quickly trade on Axiom with your Nova bot.